Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the H9 Max Smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to show you on how to pair the H9 Max Smartwatch with a support app. So this wearable is using the HRYFine application, or they say HRYFine App, but for me I think it's HRYFine application. So we have here the QR code. Okay, let me show you the QR code. So this is the QR code. If you want to download the app, just scan this or just search the name of the app on Google Play Store. Okay, so let's download the app and pair it with our H9 Max Smartwatch. So if you have this smartwatch and you're planning to pair it with the application, with the support app, watch this video. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and download the application for our H9 Max Smartwatch. So just open the Google Play Store, search the app. So we have here the application. So it is a popular app, as you can see here, 10 million plus downloads. So tap on install and let's wait for it to finish downloading. After it is done with the download, it will automatically install it in our Android smartphone. So let's wait for it to finish or complete the download of the HRYFine application on our Android smartphone. Okay, it's 100% now, and it is now installing the app on our smartphone. So let's wait for it. In just a few seconds, the installation is complete. Let's ready our smartwatch. And as you can see here, it's now installed. So let's open the application. So we have here our first permission. Okay, allow it to access your physical activity. Okay, access your phone call logs, will allow it, and access your contacts as well as the nearby devices. Then make and manage phone calls, send and view SMS messages, as well as access photos and media on your device. And we have here, I have read and agree privacy policy. You can log in using your Google or your email. In our case, this is just a demo, so we will log in directly. Then we have here our account number and a password. Okay. It is recommended to save a screenshot. Okay, confirm. Then confirm. Okay, we'll add our nickname. Just a fictitious name. Then confirm. Then we have another permission here. Please enable notification usage permission. Go to set. Look for the application. We'll allow it. Then allow. Okay, then go back. Then we are now on the dashboard of the support app. As you can see here, we have health, data, exercise, and me. To add your smartwatch, you can tap on the me section. Then tap on add device. We have here a permission, we'll allow it. Okay, notification permission, call logs. Okay, then location permission, allow, then or maybe ask every time. Okay, in our case, we'll pick this one. then go back, then again me, then add device. Now it will search for our smartwatch. Okay, if not, you can go back again and try to search it. Okay, it's looking for our smartwatch, and as you can see here, we have it here now, the H9 Max. Okay, is it our H9 Max Smartwatch? If you want to make it sure, okay, that you are pairing with the correct smartwatch, you can go to the About section of your smartwatch. Then, as you can see here, we do have the Bluetooth address, the same. Okay, sometimes it is the MAC address. So, tap on the H9 Max, wait for it. It will connect. Connection failed. Again. Okay. If it's still failing, you can go to the Bluetooth section of your smartphone, then remove other smartwatches that is connected to the Bluetooth. So Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Okay, we'll cancel this one. And as you can see here, we are now connected. Okay, let's see. Unit switch, device settings, find my watch, and it is looking for our smartwatch, as you can see here. So we are connected. Then let's enable notifications. Let's make it sure that it's activated. Yes, it's okay. Go back. Our phone book, let's add one. Add. Again. So let's have a closer look. Then tap on add or import. Okay, let's add this one. Cindy, Sam, or just Cindy. Let's see. Then confirm. Then refresh. Okay, as you can see here, it is synchronizing with the smartwatch. And let's check. Do we have a contacts here? Find phone. Let's double check. Let's make it sure that we have the contacts. Yes, we have it here, as you can see. Okay, so we are done with that. Next, 24-hour system. We'll just use 12 hours, so we'll not activate this one. Follow language system, yes. Synchronize time. Set successfully. And seems like everything is okay here. The basic setup for your smartwatch is done. We are paired with the H9 Max, and we already activated some of its permissions. Okay, so that's it on how to pair your H9 Max Smartwatch with the Support App HRYFine App on Android smartphone. So very easy. And so far, as you can see, it's stable. No issues at all. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries if we do have that time. Like, share, and subscribe.